Hey, green team, let's get this going.
Oh, shit.
Let's go. Just hold it. Would you have another one of those?
If that catches on fire on something, you got to put it out.
Oh, this could be good. This could be good cover. Just run with it.
Let's go.
Yeah, just run across the field with it. That's what...
Everybody give cover fire in the air.
Dude, do not call me buddy. Back up.
Thanks, Joseph. Just gonna go that way. Alright.
Is the mom on? Yes. Alright, we got the mom on.
Come on.
Using this thing only.
Really?
Yeah.
Are we gonna meet back over there? In the white building.
I'm running across. Somebody cover fire.
I'll tell you when. Ready, set, go. Oh, hit. You see him? The only ones I see are respawning. You want to come with me up that bridge?
Hey, move up when I cover you, okay?
Get on that side. I was thinking about moving up, but I can't tell them where they are. They're right there. I don't see any. Let's just hold the bomb from now on. You got a good view on it, right? The bomb? No, not really. I'm pinned down every single time Hit, you're hit! Crap, they don't call the hit! Just stay here and hold this position. I just shot randomly to see if I could see anyone. Where are the contacts at? Where at? What? Get down, get down, get down. Move to the side. They will shoot you. So wait, where are they?
Right in front of us.
Right in front of us.
Got him! Yes! Right in front of us. See that wall right in front of us?
Are they in the white building?
No, they're closer than that.
No, wait! He's shot! One guy just moved up to that building. I think they're good. A green?
Yeah.
Yeah, green to that building. My bad.
Yeah,
nice job, man.
What? Thank you.
I'm only looking for this. We got a guy in the white building.
Oh, he shot.
I can't see him from here. He shot?
Yeah, he's waving.
All right. You want to move up?
I know, another guy came and took his place.
Oh.
Right beside him. There he is, right there.
Like a kangaroo?
Whoa!
I got him. Oh, watch out.
Where did that come from?
Right there.
Right where?
Right behind where he was before. Right at the end of the hole.
Oh, I see him.
Can you shoot that back?
He's hit.
Alright, you're good, go!
Stand up, go!
Go!
Go! Is there any more that way?
Is he hit or what? Did you see him
Did
wave?
he even get up?
No, he's still there.
Oh, let's shoot at him, see what he does. Rep. Do we still have the bomb?
Yeah, we do.
Okay.
Where's the bomb?
I saw him poking out. I got an idea. Never mind.
Where are they, Ethan? Where are they?
What's up, guys? Get down.
There's somebody at the end of this hall and he keeps waving his hand, but he won't move. Whoa, watch out.
He's only dead if he has a dead ram.
I'd shoot at him if he would. Oh, wait, there he is.
Stop.
Yeah!
Oh, yeah! There's two guys back there.